Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on because it's free. So anyway, in this episode, I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette again because it's a big palette, and of course, you know what I'm saying, there's a lot of different looks you can do with it. So I wanted to go back and do it again, and I'm gonna do it one more time after this. So this is gonna be a quick video because I already put my makeup on, got my foundation, everything on. I already primed my eyelids with this affordable shadow primer, and it is the J-Cat Beauty All About That Base. So I already put that on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll be right back. Yeah, so I'm back. I'm finished up. I went ahead and add some eyelashes and some mascara and some lipstick. This lipstick is from ColourPop, and it is the color Love Bug, which is like a burnt orange. So yes, this is my completed look. I didn't say it was all that, but I tried. But yeah, I mean, like, this palette is endless. Like I said in my last video, if you watched it, if you didn't, I'll link it down below or somewhere up in the video somewhere. Depends, just check. But yeah, this was like I said, this is an easy palette. I don't know what else to tell you other than try it for yourself. I think it's easy to use because I never do blues or anything like that, and I did blue and I don't think it doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna do another look. I'm gonna do one more look, and that will be it for this palette. I'm gonna continue to use it afterwards, but you know what I mean, like just the dedicated videos to the palette. This to be, I'll do one more video, but yeah, this is my completed look. I'm gonna take a picture so I can put it on the gram. Yeah, but yeah, I did like a little, you can't even see my little wing liner I did, because these big ass eyelashes done hid the little wing liner I did. I did like a wing liner with some of the colors. I mean, of course, if you watch the video, you see it. But yeah, it's a completed look. So anyway, if you would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Also, make sure you subscribe. And also turn your notification bell on. And I will see you next time. Bye.